on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new brushless hair clipper from Kemei with the model number KM1826. So, got a 2500 milliamp battery and comes with 4 guide combs. So there are 2 colors. I ordered the black one, and there is also a gold one. Got 7,000 RPM. So it's a brushless motor, which is good. I unboxed the trimmer already, and it was Kemei 1855. So this is Kemei 1826. So just pretty it, and charging time 3 hours, operating time 150 minutes. So it got 8 watts. It's really good. I like this clipper, man. So, and yeah, let's unbox it. So this is the clipper. And this is the logo, which is good. It's just the same like the trimmer, everything the same. So good. Charging port, like this rubber grip here, which is good. And here is metal. And the back side, I don't know if maybe it's metal or hard plastic. I can't really tell. So got 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. And the range, see, got normal range and a fade blade with Kemei logo on it. So this is it. Really like it. It's not robust. Got a little weight to it, but not too much. So it's exact the same like the eye clipper. I guess it's made from, I guess eye clipper made it for them. I guess so. I'm not that so sure. The clicking lever is it's really good. And it's a detachable. You see? And very strong. So now let's make a sound check. As you can see, it's really good and powerful. There's nothing like a brushless motor, but let's see what that for us inside. The manual, as usual. Okay, got a cleaning brush. Oil wasn't inside. The cable, I took it out when I was charging it, and got this one. This is the smallest one. Okay. These are the guide combs. So it's not that much, but it's okay. So let's make an RPM test. This is for my kids. So now like I said, it's 7,000 RPM. So that's it for the unboxing of this Kemei. This model number again, 1826. And peace, man. All right.